Kani kadai ke Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Henne kasngi ka arpandai terik mentau naiwing araja khatpra. Ka Skul Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School Shillong kalayo banbo yo maunong rem bantai Thymmai no ya ka Ïingskul Jong ka Skul. Yau ni maunong rem labo da MLA kani kathan Haka ju kapor bolong ru Shongkonor Jong ka Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation uba sanbor Shulai ubalalong kongsan hakani ke jelang rengkan ke jidon lang Chief Engineer Jongkatnan PWD Building uba F Marbanyang ka Principal Jongkani ke Skul ka Ringku Batacharji kinohikai bagi kena Jongkani ke Skul bantai ke Ïingskul Thymmai Jongkani ke Skul lamang pisah haka Jinglut ke bakot Shiklur Prapulai lang nyopu prahajar sauspa nyopu tingka kebalayo lengba ke Supporting Human Capital Development Project jong ke Asian Development Bank. Lakmi lanti bayagani jingtai an pendap no kloy kat bala kenang bagi kena kiba puli hakani ke Skul kenyo ya ke jing syakri ke bakham janai haka jing puli jongki.
Inauguration of the foundation stone for immediately to start the construction work, where we are having also the contractor of the firm, that CD Construction by Charles Runja and his official who are here with us, my other friends who are the member of the Monitoring and Implementation Committee, 19 South Shillong Constituency, and my young friends who are the future of our society, of our state, students of the school.
You also go.